Health benefits of cloves. Cloves provide numerous health advantages, some of which consist of offering aid in digestion, having anti-microbial qualities, better digestion, combating cancer, safeguarding the liver, enhancing the immune system, managing diabetes, protecting bone quality, as well as containing anti-mutagenic qualities, in addition to combating oral diseases as well as headaches, while displaying aphrodisiac properties too. Medicinal benefits of cloves. If a person suffers from diabetes and wish to keep the blood glucose levels under control naturally, try eating clove on a regular basis. Alternatively, you could attempt consuming about 10 grams of clove powder along with warm water before eating anything every day. In case of acidity, chew on clove just after a meal. You need to ideally consume only water and prevent consuming anything sweet or even oxygenated while chewing on clove. You could possibly include a teaspoon of clove powder in your daily meals, chew it whole after each meal, or even consume its powder along with warm water every day on an empty stomach to view a substantial drop in your levels of cholesterol. If you suffer from the toothache, try applying a few clove oil or even chewing on the whole clove for immediate rest from the pain. You might chew on clove or even gargle along with clove solution to conquer foul breath. To help make the solution, boil a few cloves in water for a couple of minutes, let it stand for about 2 minutes, and after that strain the solution. Once it has cooled down, you can use it like a mouthwash after each meal. Take a pot of clove as well as include it with a spoon of honey. Allow it to remain in the honey for around 8 hours, as well as consume, gradually swallow the honey. This can coat the throat, assisting in providing you with relief for a time. Simply chew a few pieces of cloves as well as within minutes your bad breath will disappear. To get rest from nausea, place a few drops of clove oil on the handkerchief and also breathe in the smell. You may also chew 1 or 2 cloves. To quit vomiting, combine the powder of cloves along with honey and swallow it. You may also combine a few drops of clove oil in a glass of warm water as well as consume it slowly. Use just a little clove oil combined with a carrier oil just like olive oil to massage joint pain, sore muscles and areas of the body suffering from arthritis as well as rheumatism. Repeat this many times each day. Simply consume 2 to 3 cups of clove tea every day when you're struggling with a respiratory condition. You may add clove oil to hot water as well as inhale the fragrant steam. To avoid several respiratory problems, gnaw on a couple of cloves regularly. A mixture of warm sesame oil and clove oil is also considered to be an excellent natural treatment for earaches. Boil 5 to 6 clove buds in 2 cups of water for a couple of minutes, after that let seep covered for 20 minutes. Sweeten to taste along with honey. This could calm indigestion as well as nausea and promote urge for food. The usage of cloves in tooth pain is a very common home cure. Pressing a clove bud between the jaws at the side of aching tooth eases the pain. Apply clove oil within the cavity of decayed tooth. This could decrease the pain and help to improve infection. Prepare a decoction by boiling 5 to 6 cloves in 30 milliliters water. Take this particular decoction along with honey 3 times each day just as one expectorant. Gnawing a clove along with common salt additionally reduces coughing. If you've got cough or even throat is congested, try chewing roasted clove. Additionally, it is an excellent medicine in cases of inflammation in the pharynx, condition referred to as pharyngitis. For dealing with asthma, soak 2 cloves, 12 to 15 basil, ocimum sanctum, leaves, 10 black pepper, piper nigrum in water, as well as boil for 15 minutes. Filter the same. To this, include 2 teaspoons honey as well as drink with milk. Clove oil taken along with sugar is recognized to heal stomachache. Prepare a paste of clove along with common salt. Consume it along with milk to deal with headache,